Hi, boys and girls. So now that we finished all our letters in the alphabet, now we're going to start working on some numbers. So I have a princess book here called Dazzling Adventures, and it's going to talk about some numbers. So afterwards, we're going to do an activity about numbers, and you're going to need a piece of paper and some markers. Do you know who that is? That's Ariel. Ariel and Flounder are swimming in the sea, gliding, racing, diving, happy as can be. The friends play a counting game while Ariel does tricks. She spots some dazzling seashells, and so she counts 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 dwarfs line up, and it's off to work they go. Snow White decides to join them, and they sing, "Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho." Inside she digs and spots the brightest jewels in all the mine. She counts 5 sparkling gems and sees how bright they shine. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jasmine joins Aladdin on a magic carpet ride. High above Agrabah, they slowly soar and glide. Together they begin to sing a lovely little tune. The sky is lit by 5 stars twinkling near the moon. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the library, Belle looks for books in every category, hoping to find a fairy tale, mystery, or maybe an adventure story. Looking at the shelves, she searches for more and more. She eyes each book spine and decides to read 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiana and Naveen are celebrating Mardi Gras. They dance to Louis's trumpet, and the crowd watches in awe. There's so much to see tonight in gold, purple, and green. Tiana sees 4 special masks with a glittery sheen. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the forest is where Aurora spends her day. The birds chirp and sing as the trees gently sway. Aurora and her forest friends pick sweet red berries, and they're soon joined in the meadow by the 3 good fairies. 1, 2, 3. Merida rides to the meadow. Angus is the fastest. She's planned a fun afternoon of bow and arrow practice. But in the shadows, Merida sees something glowing blue. She follows the wisps, first 1, then 2. 1, then 2. Rapunzel and Flynn see golden lights in the sky. She gazes up and wonders how they drift so high. Flynn surprises Rapunzel with a lantern of her own. Now there's just 1 lantern, and it's the last one flown. 1. Pretty. Did you like that one? I like that one. Now we're going to do some number practice. Let me get out my markers. Got a little box. I'm going to use purple. And we're going to do some drawing. So I'm just looking for something hard to write on. So get your piece of paper and your marker, and we're going to draw 5 balloons. So they're the shape of an oval, and try to do them small. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to write the number 5. So we're going to start with a straight line on the top, straight line going down, and then a backwards C. Very good. Now we're going to draw 3 balloons underneath there. Maybe I'll use a different color. I'm going to do 3 blue balloons. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I'm going to write the number 3. So it's like 2 backwards C's on top of each other. Watch this. Ooh, ooh. There we go. Now which one is more? 5 or 3? 5. So we're going to circle the number 5 because it's bigger than 3. I'm just going to draw a line here because we're going to do another number problem down here. All right, now we're going to draw, let's draw some ladybugs. So now we're going to do, I'm going to use red. Two ladybugs. 1, 2, but I'm going to give them my head. Color them in. And we'll give them 2 spots. 1, 2. Okay, and I'm going to draw a little face. So there's our ladybugs. So we have 2 ladybugs, and now we're going to draw 4 ladybugs underneath. So draw 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to write the numbers. We're going to write the numbers 2 and the numbers 4. I'm drawing 4 spots on these ladybugs because we have 4. And little faces. Okay, so now I'm going to write the number 2. I'm going to start up at the top like a hook, like a candy cane, and go down, and then a straight line at the bottom. Very good. Now we're going to do a 4. So it's like the letter L, and the line down. Good job. Now which one is more, 2 or 4? 4. Good job. So we're going to circle the number 4. Because it's more. Very good, friends. And thank you for listening to the story of the day and coloring with me. I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.